Hey, welcome to Rygaard Creations. In this video, I will show you an amazing secret in 3DCoat. How to create a fantastic and advanced custom right-click menu in the Rygaard Creations custom room. Yeah, that's right. I will completely change this standard right-click menu that you know by a powerful, flexible, and extremely useful menu. Because this menu, when it's ready, will be totally different with extreme customization to make our work here at 3DCoat even easier and better, okay? First, I will organize and create a space in the right-click menu to be able to have a better usability and add the functionalities, okay? I will open the right-click script rmb.cpp through the button Edit Script for the RMB action. In the main function, inside the conditional structure if vox3 object picked, above the menu item choose ref color function. Right here, I will create the function menu submenu, open and close parentheses, semicolon, open curly bracket, and down there, above the show RMB panel function, I'll close curly bracket, okay? But there is still one thing missing here. That is the parameter of the menu submenu function. So I use it as a parameter right mouse button menu, okay? And back down there, where I just put the closing curly bracket below, I'm going to add the menu exit function. And the reason for that, for sure, you must already know. So, let's see the result of these changes I just made here in the script. I'm going to save the script, close it, go back to 3DCoat and click on the OK button. And when I click with the right mouse button, as you can see, the menu looks a little different. Now, there's a submenu called right mouse button menu. And inside it are the features, right? Right. Now that I have a space in the right mouse button menu, I will start the process of adding features that will allow this menu to become very flexible and powerful. I will go back to the rmb.cpp script. Inside the main function, below the declaration of the variable surface, right here, I'm going to add the menu item function. Open parentheses, closes parentheses, semicolon. And as a parameter, I use rooms selector. Great. Do you remember this function? I'm going to do just a little bit of mystery. I'll save this script, close it, go back to 3DCoat and click the OK button. And now, when I click with the right mouse button, as you can see, I have successfully added the 3DCoat room list menu. Here, inside the right-click menu, right? Right. In the next video, I will further enhance this advanced custom right-click menu in the custom room Rygaard creations. Sounds good. No. Sounds great. I hope you have learned something new, and as always, I will see you all in the next video. See you there.